So welcome back to my channel. I started filming this video and realized that I did not have my microphone on, of course, but I now have my own monitor. My fiance got me one for my birthday, so that's amazing. And I'm just really excited to have one so I don't have to steal his anymore. And I'm hoping that this is in focus because my last couple videos, there's just been issues. My camera's been doing some crazy things. And I'm going to do a series on my favorite fall eyeshadow palettes. I love fall. It's coming up. I'm here for it. I'm ready. So today's video is going to be on this gorgeous Ace Beaute Flair Palette. You guys, if you have not tried their palettes, you need to. They are amazing. Here's the inside of this beautiful palette. Just gorgeous. So I'm just going to do a pretty simple look today. It is Friday, September 2nd. I actually have the day off work, so I'm excited. And I'm just going to try and take it easy, go see my mom, maybe finalize some wedding stuff. And yeah, just hopefully enjoy the day, hoping this is a good weekend. Oh, man, so this past Monday, my fiance's car crapped out on him. So all week he's had my Jeep and I've had my mom's vehicle. So yeah, I'm hoping we're going to be able to get him a new car tomorrow and then get back to our normal arrangements with me having my Jeep, my mom having her car back, and him having a new car. So that's the latest in my life. And also curly hair. I have been wearing my hair curly for like 6 days now. I got some curl. My hair does feel a lot healthier, so I might do a video on just the method and what I've been trying to do. I don't really, the curly girl method is a lot. And I wash my hair every day. I just have to. It's a long story, but I do like how it's looking. Yeah, and I'm hoping like by the time the wedding gets here, my hair will just be really healthy and just look really good because I've been frying it every day with a flat iron for like 20 plus years. So my hair needs some good TLC. Alright, so now I'm going to get started. I promise. I'm sorry for the long intro. And I think I'm going to start out with, what do I want to do? Let's start out with the shade Aubergine, which is the shade right here. And again, here I go, starting out with purple. I don't know what it is. I just cannot get away with the purple shades. Oh, crap. Okay, also trying a new makeup thing. I don't know, I feel like my skin has gotten so dry lately. Like I used to be more oily, so I'm trying to not set things with a powder. Like I set my eyelids and then just slightly under my eye, but other than that, there is no powder on this face, and I am feeling super greasy right now. The issue is like stuff just does not set into my skin. So that's why I always used a powder, but I don't know. I feel like my body is just like revolting against me because everything is just so crazy. And then with this curly girl thing, I feel like my hair is just like sticking to my face because I have no powder, but I cannot powder. It looks horrible. I mean, it looks okay on screen, but then I look up close in the mirror and I'm like, dang, what happened? So, there's that story for the day. So I'm trying to find like the right, like, combination of foundation and primer that will allow me to not have dry patches, but also not be so sticky and like, yeah, I guess just too sticky, too hydrated. It doesn't look bad. It just, I'm the kind of person, everything I do, I end up like hitting my face, and I had quite the mess with my lip this morning, just trying to get that on, because like my face is just so moisturized and just, I don't know. It's just something new I'm trying to get used to. I think this is like day 2 of no powder, so it's still new and fresh, and I'm still trying to figure it out. But yeah, like my whole life I've always been pretty oily, to the point that I just always have to set with a powder. And like the last couple times I've been doing it, I was just like, I would like look in the mirror and it just, my makeup just did not look good, and I had so many dry patches, so I was like, okay, I gotta do something, and this was really the only thing I could think of, because I've tried like moisturizing primers, setting sprays. It's like just the second the powder touches my skin, I just get so dry. So we're trying something new. I know I've got like 2 months till the wedding, so I've got to get this figured out. Okay, now I want to go in with, also I did not think this look through, so now I don't really know what to do. I'm gonna go in with the shade Saffron. And it's still like, I know we're just in the beginning of September, but it is still hot here, like too hot for me. So I'm hoping over the next couple weeks, like it will be cooling off and I can get out and do some outdoorsy things. And then like one weekend, like we're gonna have to go to my brother's house and figure out like the setup for everything for the wedding, because it's gonna be outdoors, so we just kind of need to figure out like where we're gonna put all the tables and yeah. There's just, it's like, I mean, I feel better because we're getting a lot of stuff done, but then I also feel like, oh crap, there's so much that we have to do, and I'm worried I'm gonna forget something, because that would just be my luck. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the shade Mirage. Like, all these shades are just so beautiful. I mean, I'm not kidding when I say, if you've not tried one of these palettes, like, you need to. They're just so beautiful. And I truly think this is the only palette I've ever used in my life, or at least the 3 Ace Beaute palettes that I have, that do not have fallout. Like, I've had other people say palettes don't have fallout, but then I use them and I don't know what happens, but there's fallout. But yeah, I can honestly say these, 0 fallout. And the funny thing is, this palette is like the old formula. So I think I do have one of their palettes that has the new formula, and I tried it and it was just as incredible. And I definitely feel like this is a brand that people don't talk about enough, because their palettes are to die for. I'm going to just do a little extra blending, then I need to do my lower lash line, and then I need to put on some mascara, and I'll be right back. And also, I have a new mascara I'm going to try. It's a Joa Beauty mascara. I can't really remember the specifics of what it's called, but if it works out good, I'll bring it back with me and show you guys. Okay, so for the lower lash line, I am just going to go in with the shade Pumpkin, just because I'm ready for fall. I cannot summer anymore. I haven't even summered. Like, I haven't even really been outdoors because it's been so brutally, disgustingly hot, and I'm just already done with it, so. And then just for the lower lash line inner corner, I'm just going to use this shade Biscotti. Alright, I'm gonna go do my mascara and I will be right back. So I am back and this is the finished look. Just a beautiful fall look. And I just wanted to talk about a couple products that I just discovered that I am loving. So this Joa Beauty Perfection Complexion Eye Serum Concealer. And it just got a little, I guess you call it like a cotton-like tip. This concealer, phenomenal. Like, probably the best I have ever tried in my life, and I have tried a lot of concealers. My under eyes, again, my whole skin, everything has just been so dry, and I used this today and I am just shook. It is so good, hydrating. I do have fine lines, so I have a little bit of creasing, but not like I would normally have. So this is amazing. Go pick it up. I think it was like $11. And this mascara, the Joa Lash Uprising Mascara, I paired this with my Maybelline Sky High Mascara, and I love how it looks. I don't know that you guys, can you see my lashes? Just amazing. And I think this was like maybe $9. So those two products I am loving. And then my lip today is, I used the Milani Understatement Lip Liner in the shade Magenta Mood. It's just a retractable lip liner. And then I used the NYX Lingerie XXL lip in the shade Sizzlin'. And here's kind of what that looks like. Again, I'm just in full fall mode. I don't care if it's not really fall yet. Like, to me, once like my birthday hits, which is the end of August, it's fall. So we're in full fall mode. So, and again, this was the Ace Beaute Flair Palette. Amazing palette, you guys. Please go try one of their palettes if you haven't already. They're stunning. I love them. The formula is amazing. No fallout. Affordable. I couldn't ask for more in a palette. So that is it for today, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in. Just thank you for watching my videos. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you in the next one.